Today's episode is sponsored by Spartan Chemical Company. Family owned and operated since 1956, Spartan Chemical is a leading manufacturer of superior and cost-effective specialty chemical products sold through select, trusted distributors. Spartan Chemical makes clean simple. For more information, please visit spartanchemical.com. On today's program, I'm pleased to welcome Jeannie Henderson with Jeannie Cleaning in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and she serves as the ISSA Residential Cleaning Council Chair. And also welcome Aaron Lash, the ARCSI Program Manager. Today, we're going to talk about some important news, and I'm excited to share this with the industry along with you. Let's just start with an easy question, and I'll go to you, Jeannie, to start us off. What's new at ARCSI?
Well, this year, ARCSI is celebrating our 20th anniversary alongside ISSA's 100th anniversary. So it's a really big year. But on top of that, we're also excited to announce the rebranding of ARCSI with the new name ISSA Residential.
Big news. This is exciting stuff. Aaron, I think you have something to add as well.
ARCSI was created 20 years ago, as Jeannie mentioned, and it was created by a group of residential cleaning companies that wanted a way to connect and gather and share resources. And they've continued to do that. And we've been part of ISSA for 6 years now. And I think everybody that is a member of ARCSI knows how valuable the resources at ISSA have been, specifically as we look back to everything that occurred during the COVID pandemic. The rebranding as ISSA really just reflects our continued commitment to excellence and providing resources to our members. When we looked at how would we want to rebrand, we looked at the words ISSA Residential hold so much meaning. ISSA obviously illustrates our inclusion as part of the Worldwide Cleaning Association, and residential, it's a simple word, but it really reflects our community and what we do. We provide residential cleaning for consumers around the world. So, we're thrilled to be part of ISSA, and this rebrand is part of our just transition as we move forward into our third decade.
Well, I'm sure a lot of work has gone into this. Rebranding is not easy. I want to ask this question, though. I've heard ARCSI, I've heard ARCSI. I go to trade shows, I hear that all the time. It's well known. That acronym is well known. So, Jeannie, this is for you. With a well-known acronym already out there, why rebrand?
Well, there has been a lot of questions about that over the years. And when we were very excited to become part of ISSA in 2017. And I felt at that point that it was important for us to maintain our identity, even as our organization became a division of ISSA. But as time goes on, we've become more connected. The things that are happening in ARCSI are more connected to everything that's happening in ISSA. Our members are taking advantage of much more of the benefits, the advocacy, as Aaron was mentioning, during the pandemic. And so it just made a lot of sense right now to clarify who we are as part of ISSA. And we are a division of ISSA. We're the home cleaners across United States and internationally. And so we really wanted to talk about who we are. And we felt that this is the time to take our name and become a true division of ISSA and call ourselves ISSA Residential. There was some confusion over the years when we merged or became part of ISSA. People thought it was two different memberships. Should I be a member of ARCSI or should I be a member of ISSA? And now there will be no question. When you become a member of ISSA Residential, you're becoming part of our residential division and the Worldwide Cleaning Association. We really wanted to clarify that.
I think that's important and a smart move. So congratulations on that decision. We're going to wrap up today, Aaron. We're going to go to you. And, members might be watching this thinking, what does this mean for me? So can you share with us what they need to know right now?
What we want people to understand is this is just, kind of our transition and evolution. And this just is going to continue to position our members as part of the Worldwide Cleaning Association. We're going to keep this transition as smooth as possible. We're being very transparent, keeping everything open into everybody. You will start to receive communications from us about the change and what is happening, and then how you could take advantage of that, because I think this is something that members will want to take advantage of. It's already been important to be part of ARCSI, but as Jeff, I know, as you mentioned, there's a lot of acronyms out there. So now, we're simplifying it, and we're part of ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Association. And so members and, prospects will start to see information flowing from us. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I'm very easy to find at ARCSI and at ISSA, but we want, members to understand what is happening, and this will not change our core values, our commitment to excellence, our member service, our education and certifications. And if anything, it's only going to increase that and what we're able to provide members. So, we're thrilled with making this change. It was a decision that our council and our staff team took very seriously. We did, research and decided this was the best way to move forward in the third decade.
Well, I, for one, am all for getting rid of some acronyms, so that's okay with me. Well, ladies, I think we covered it well. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to this rebranding taking place very soon.